I was asked today to replace the string on this Ryobi trimmer, and it's already kind of like ruined. Not exactly, but it is not together. And let's see, since all the trimmers are different, let's see how that goes. So these are grabbing teeth for to go inside, and here it says that rewind line in this direction. So string is already in, jammed. So since this line is saying this direction, I'm just gonna wind it and not overlap it too much to the reel. And length is already determined, looks like, so I don't need to worry about that. Once I'm close to the end, here are two spots that I can jam it like that, and then put it in. And actually, before I put that in, I need to go with string through this hole here, and then put it in. So it already got off of this little jamming position, and it is okay to determine the length. I'll go up to this cutting point and hold it and not unwire it, and put the cover on, and that's it. So that's how we replace the string. What's left is for us to try, and it works. So when it says on this Ryobi, we need to release the trigger to advance the string. It says here, release the trigger to advance the string. I already did it, so it got much longer. Idea is not to release the trigger too many times, to not advance it too much. But if you have the too long string, take the cover off and unwind it back. Actually this way, counterclockwise, come to the length, or maybe a little shorter, so we can start it and advance it just for one click. That's it. So one more time, try it. So it works. Since I was showing how to replace the string, one more interesting thing that I discovered is that this edger is a heavy wheel, that if you will have to edge around the driveway or any other object, we need to release this and then go 90 degrees like this, and then come on this side and edge it. So that's the interesting thing, really cool. And if you will have to put it in a regular position, the thing is to push this stepper, push it forward and rotate the whole thing till it clicks in and stays there. So that's all that is interesting about this Ryobi, besides changing battery and making it longer or shorter. Really stay straightforward, but like I said, somebody asked me to do it because they didn't know. It's good to know, and I hope this will help somebody who has same or similar trimmer. Thank you for watching.